Alright, well today we are going to build a rock retaining wall. It's really not a retaining wall, but we have a cut on the side of the driveway here that is just kind of a raw edge. So the whole family's out here today, and we've got some rocks that were generously given to us by our neighbor because he had to make room for his driveway, which turned out to be a ton of rock. So we're gonna line this with rock and just kind of beautify that driveway before the asphalt gets in. Right here, Evan and I are going to, Dan, I need you to grab that rock. Evan and I are going to pull this up. You grab this, get this one right here, it's resting on, and just kind of pull it up this way.
I'm moving this one?
You're on it. And pulling it down, and then you move like this. Okay. Alright, we'll drop it. Rock it like this.